Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send money using the RIA Money Transfer app. First, log in to your RIA app, then tap Send Money. Select the destination country and enter the amount you want to send. Next, choose your payment method like a debit or credit card, and pick how your recipient will receive the money: cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet. Enter your recipient's details, review everything carefully, and tap Confirm to complete the transfer. And that's it! Your money is now on its way. And that's how to send money using the RIA Money Transfer app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.